Hello guys, thanks for joining this video and watching this video regarding F5 credential stealing solution. It's a new solution based on an existing product called WebSafe and two submodules called encryption and phishing. So let me demonstrate the solution right now. So I have a demonstration environment with on the right some virtual machine. One is a Windows client, it will be a real client, a customer. Here is my original server with original website that I want to protect to, and this is my phishing server. Okay, server in a garage where I want to push a copy of this content. On the left, I have a big IP version 13. It could be version 12. It's not an issue. I have a big IQ dashboard for the reporting. I have a DCD. DCD is a data collection device. It's a collector, okay, log collector. So let's start. So on the Windows machine client, I'm gonna use a Chrome, and I will show you the website. So I'm gonna use incognito mode in order to avoid any cache content, and the website is this one. Okay, very simple website with a logon page and two fields. I have a phishing server and I have a big IP. Okay, so big IP itself, version 13, it could be version 12, we don't care. You need at minimum one module, okay, so an LTM, an ASM, an APM, an AFM, whatever you want, and on top of this module you enable FPS, so WebSafe. So it's pretty simple to set up, very easy. You create a profile. On the profile you add a URL, so in my case it's login.php. If you have a look here, it's login.php, so I want to protect login.php. I click on it. I enable the feature I want to use, okay, so phishing, enable, encryption, enable, and I specify my logon page is a logon page, okay, my page is a logon page, and I have to set the parameter name, okay. So to do so, you just need to have a look on the page itself and find the name of the fields, okay. So you can use this and that way. The first field is called username, and I suppose the second one is called password. Okay, so the name is username, this one is password. I just have to provide these two parameter name in the configuration. Then for each one I need to specify which feature I want to use on. So for username will be the identifier for either username, okay, for the logs mainly. I don't encrypt this value, I will explain you, but I don't encrypt the username, but I will obfuscate it, okay. So I will change the name of the parameter. But for the password, I encrypt the password, I substitute the value, and I obfuscate as well the value. And the logon is done via a post, okay, it's an HTTP post. So pretty simple, nothing more to do, just that. So have a look on the web page itself. This one is a non-protected, okay, demo bank unprotected. Don't care about this word. I'm directly connected to the web server with an big IP, and I will show you how I can grab the credential. So the credential can be grabbed by several tools and manner, okay. So with this one I can see my password 128, but most of the time a malware will grab the credential during the post, okay. So let's have a look here. Go to network, preserve the log, and log in. So here you can see my username and my password, okay. So the malware will wait for the post, okay, it's a post here for a specific URI, and then the malware will grab the username and the password fields. So my objective is to to make this discovery more difficult. Okay, so let's have a look on my configuration here. So I will obfuscate first of all the name of the field. Okay, so for the malware it will be more difficult to find the field, and I will encrypt the value so that the information grabbed is useless. Okay, or will be useless. So if I switch to a protected website, so the same now but through the big IP, this one. Okay, so it's an HTTPS connection with a trusted certificate, trusted authority, trusted chain. And let's have a look on the page. Okay, again you will see some differences. As you can see, the name of the field change, and then the field is changing every second. The name of the field is not username and password anymore, it's this value. Okay, so WebSafe is changing the value every second so that the malware should not detect the name, the field itself. So now let's this is the first thing. Okay, this is called the network sniffer, and check how malware could grab the credential. So the malware is waiting for the post. Okay, so when I click on login, I do a post on login.php. As you can see here, login.php, I have the post here, perfect. And with my credential stealing solution, I change the value of the field, if you remember. Okay, so at this time, this is the value. The username is not encrypted, so it's the real one. But for the password, same thing, and the password is encrypted. Okay, this is the password, and we use a private and private key mechanism, so only the big IP can decrypt the password. So it's very simple to implement and put in place an encryption solution to protect against credential stealing with malware. Okay, so now the second method used by the hacker to grab the credential is phishing. Okay, so the hacker would like to download the website, put the website to a server in a garage or somewhere else, and will do a phishing campaign, and will wait for user to connect to his web server and wait for user to enter the credential. Okay, so let's connect to the phishing server. So this is a Windows server with 2 IS, and to download the website I will use HTTP track. Let's go, give a name, demo bank. Next, so yeah, URL it's https demobank, not htc.demo. So yeah, just change the name for a new one, for a new demo. Yeah, new project. Demobank htc.demo. So it's an https. Great. Next, finish. So as you can see, the HTTP track follows the links. Okay, and download all the objects. Great, done. Let's move to here, and this is my website. Okay, here we are. This is the downloaded website. So now I just have to move the content, the downloaded content, to 2IS root folder. Okay, and now I have to do my phishing campaign. So as a hacker, I'm gonna use a fake domain, and instead of using demo, I will use dim0. Okay, so I have this domain, I own this domain, dim0, and I have a certificate as well. Okay, so if I connect to this website, as you can see, I have a dim0. Okay, instead of demo, I can see exactly the same login page. I don't know that I am on a fake server, on a fish server, and unfortunately I'm going to provide my credential. What I do, okay, and I log in, but it's a fake server, so unfortunately I don't have access to the application, of course. So now F5 can't stop, okay, the phishing campaign. Okay, I cannot avoid someone to click on the link in the mail, okay, in the phishing mail. But I can inform the company that the campaign is in progress, okay. So let's go back to my solution and to my dashboard. With BigIQ, I can show when a campaign is under progress, which domain is used, which fake domain is used, and which user connected to the phishing server. So let's go to BigIQ. So I already set the BigIQ, okay. So I just have to go to monitoring, FPS, and alert. In an alert, I can see my phishing alert. And if we have a look, it's 740. So here we are, okay. So I downloaded the website here, okay. You can see it's still itc.demo, and here I push the copied website to my server in the garage, okay. And you can see the new domain here with dim0, okay. And then this is the first alert, okay. Second alert, sorry, the first is when I downloaded, and the second alert is based on the user connection, user login. So I know that user called user connected to the fake website and provided his credential. So now I can either lock the account, reset the password, limit the privileges, and so on, okay. So I can do an action very fastly, okay, because with BigIQ I can forward the alert, I can send some web services, so I can do action based on an alert, okay. So this is the first action to do, okay, is to lock the account or reset the password. But in the meantime, F5 SOC will shut down this domain and IP address, okay. So this is a ticket, okay. So the customer purchases some tickets for shutdowns, and F5 will shut down the domain, the IP address, and the server, of course, okay. So this is taken care by the SOC, and this is the service we offer. So as you can see, it's very easy to put in place a credential stealing solution, okay, with two protection. The first one is to protect against the malware installed on the laptop itself. So we try to make the discovery, the grabbing, more difficult for the malware by encrypting, by obfuscating the information, the content. And the second way is to be informed, okay, to be informed when my website is phished, okay, and when someone provides his credential to this fake website. So with this solution now, I can protect my application, my SSL VPN gateway, my extranet, any customer portal or employee portal with this solution to protect my credential. Thanks for watching.